ICCT stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I've been looking at iCoreConnect, the decent 15% increase in price today. All I'm willing to do is obviously buy. I talked about this plenty of times before. What I'm going to come here and do is just follow this. Boom. ICCT. I've had so many receipts and I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with all the proof documented. But generally speaking, I have like 39,000 videos. So that's that. Yesterday it was phenomenal. I mean, it was sitting at 283, now it's 374. At some point it was 5, so it was like almost double. Well, let me show you the before. Right, boom, 23 hours ago, got 78 views. Actually, it was sitting at 339 at the time, which is solid. I'm just willing to double down more. You can see waiting for confirmation, which I just never took place. Still want to see my confirmation take place in order for me to take it up, and if it does not, then why the heck would I try and force it? I won't, you know, simple. So that's how it's actually looking like. You can see previously here I have proof of me calling out this exact thing beforehand right here, and since it has actually delivered, I mean, there's this proof. I'm just going to continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.